Hey here folks, it's me again David, and for this video it's 4:24. Time check, it's 12 noon, almost 12 noon, and we're currently here beside the beach. Well, talking, taking my rest, my break from my work. Well, as to be productive, let's not waste our time. So I'm gonna tackle with some of ideas that I run across with, along with lots of books, videos, internet. Well, ang butang yun nga ako, ang gikalingawan ron is kinig yung word nga, improvement. And if we're going to step back with the word improvement, maayo, is kaning word nga change. Kay, the only thing that is permanent sa atong kalibutan, kay kaning kausaban. And kung mag-isgot ka kausaban, na ay maayong kausaban, ug na ay bati nga kausaban. And we don't want a bad change happening to our personal lives, right? Di taga nagpati ako kausaban. But naay mga butang wala tay control, unexpected, and that's the thing we call crisis. Mga unexpected nga bati nga nausab sa tong kinabuhi. Krisis. Malang gasolina, malang palaliton, ang sweldo maradyapon. That's what we call crisis. Estudyante ni eskwela nanguyab, nakapabuntis, wala gi-expect nga nabuntis. Crisis. Nag-exercise kasi mo, nagtagad kasi mo ang panglawas, pero nakay sakit, nakay cancer. Crisis, unexpected change. But the thing is, as I run across with this concept of change, kausaban, well, ako pong nasabtan nga to control the change that is happening around us and sa atong personal lives, dapat natay buhaton. Dili pwede nga reactive ta sa mga kausaban nga na panghitabo sa atong palibot. Dapat proactive ta. That's the key word there. Proactive. There's a big difference with being reactive and being responsive toward the change that is happening. Okay? For example, karon ni malang gasolina, ni malang palaliton, ang sweldo mo ra Japon. Ang plitihan ni Saka, estudyante mga karon, minyo, ulitaw, dalaga, tigulang, pamilyado. Unsa man ang imong respond sa kausaban nga nahitabo sa atong palibot. Pwede nga magpabilin ra gyapon tang ingon ani or naatay buhaton nga something. These are the questions that are going on with my mind. And to think, what's the solution of this? Well, the first step to having a solution sa usa ka problem is to identify first unsa man gid ang ato ang sulbaron, right? Okay, we could be busy solving a problem nga dili man necessary. So this thing called necessary, when you say necessary, it comes from the word need. Need. Kung may need, that's important, right? There's a need, there's importance. And there's importance, there is what we call priority. Sometimes kining word nga priority is saan na dumb down na gani. Okay, when you say priority, it's the one thing, dili priorities. Unsa man gid ang pinaka-importante sa imong kinabuhi. Yes, pwede nga daghan kay kang buhaton, daghan kay ka pagausbon sa imong kinabuhi, but if you are to identify the most important thing sa imong kinabuhi? Unsalan man? I cannot answer that. It's only you. You need lots of meditation. You need lots of reflection, time alone, talking to yourself. Nga, unsa magiganahan nimo mahitabo sa imong kinabuhi? Unsa magid ang pinaka-importante nimo? Is it about having lots of money? Is it having a family? Is it having a significant one nga imong kaulian after sa imong work? Is it about being spiritual? Is it about being closer to someone higher? Well, kinanglan nato ning matubag sa to ang kinabuhi kay kas ara ta mabuhi ning kalibutan. And we gotta find that answer not from others but sa imong kaugalingon. Kay naanimo ang katubagan sa unsa ang imong ganahan. Okay, so I hope with this portion of the video that I just took, well, I've taken right now, well, natay mga question nga atong pamalandungan. Unsa man gyud ang pinaka-importante sa atong kinabuhi? Ang kinabuhi ba o ang sitwasyon nimo karon mao ba na ang imong gipangandoy? So I pause there to have the effect. Mayo udto sa tanan.